You gotta drop that ball first. Drop it. What are you gonna do when you have to? Penny. Drop it. Good girl. Okay, fetch. Go fetch it, Penny. Good girl. Oh, she's going to try to get the other ball now. Penny. Go back and get the other ball. Is that your favorite?